Atoms are like tiny building blocks. They make up everything around us. Now imagine a tiny speck at the center of an atom. That's the nucleus. And it's incredibly powerful. The nucleus can release enormous energy through two processes, fission and fusion. These processes are like unlocking the secrets of the universe's energy. Imagine splitting a tiny grain of rice in half and having two smaller grains of rice. That's what happens in nuclear fission. We split a heavy atom's nucleus like uranium into smaller atoms. This splitting releases a tremendous amount of energy. It's like throwing a match into a pile of dry leaves. Think of a nuclear power plant. They use fission to generate electricity. Inside the plant, uranium atoms are bombarded with neutrons, causing them to split and release energy as heat. This heat boils water, produces steam, and turns turbines to generate electricity. Now imagine taking two tiny drops of water and combining them to make one bigger drop. That's fusion. We combine lightweight atomic nuclei like hydrogen to form a heavier nucleus like helium. This fusion process releases even more energy than fission. It's like the sun, a giant fusion reactor in space, constantly fusing hydrogen into helium and giving off light and heat. Section 4. Comparing the titans, fission versus fusion. Fission and fusion are like two sides of the same coin. Both release energy from the atom, but they do it differently. Fission is like splitting wood, while fusion is like combining sparks to create a bigger fire. Fission produces radioactive waste, which can be dangerous. Fusion, on the other hand, is much cleaner and produces less radioactive waste. Section 5. Harnessing the atom applications and benefits. Nuclear fission is already used in power plants to generate electricity. It provides a significant portion of the world's energy. On the other hand, fusion power is still under development. But it holds tremendous potential for a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. Imagine a future powered by fusion, just like the stars. Fusion has the potential to provide us with a nearly limitless source of clean energy, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. It's a future worth striving for, a future where we harness the very power of the stars.